Hello everyone. Welcome back to Graphic Hunters. In this video, I'll show you how to create an H-letter logo inside a hexagon using a simple grid technique. It's quick, easy, and perfect for a clean and modern design. So, let's jump right in. First take Line Segment tool, and draw a line. Now give color to it. Swap fill color to stroke color. Now select the line, by hold Alt or copy the line, and make total 6 lines by hold Ctrl and pressing D. OK, that's good. Now select all lines. Copy the lines by Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Go transform. And rotate it 120 degree. Now reverse the rotate lines. For that, click right button of mouse. Click on Transform, click on Reflect and copy it. Again copy the rotate line by press Ctrl C and Ctrl F. Go Transform, and rotate 0 degree. Now select everything. And rotate it 90 degree like that. OK, that's good. Again select everything. Take Shape Builder tool. Must turn on Fill Color. And draw your letter like that. Carefully fill up each and every gap perfectly, otherwise your design will not perfect. Now select the design by hold Shift, and move it from the lines. Select the design, and make it group, also increase the stroke width for making the design look good. Again select the design, go Object, and select Expand. Now go Pathfinder, and make it united. So friends, that's how you create an H-letter logo inside a hexagon using a grid. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more logo design tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.